this is Shodoshima, or Shodo Island, and we are at a ryokan called Shodoshima No Oto, and this room is called No Oto. Oto means sound, and this is one of the 2 villa-style rooms of 11 on site. It's 73 square meters. So here's the entrance. So Shodo Island is part of Kagawa Prefecture. Kagawa is technically on the island of Shikoku, but Shodo Island is actually in the Seto Inland Sea, or they say Seto Naikai or Seto Uchi, which is between Shikoku Island and the main Honshu Island. But it's part of Kagawa Prefecture. Anyways, so it's Shodo Island is known for olives, for soy sauce. Those are kind of the 2 main industries here outside of tourism. There's some nice art, modern art places, although not quite as much as nearby Naoshima Island. But this is also the 2nd largest island in the Seto Inland Sea after Awajishima. So we took a 2-hour ferry from Himeji port, and now here we are. So again, this is one of the 2 villa-style rooms, which are slightly larger and better insulated from outside noises because it's a standalone structure. This ryokan, I don't know the exact date, but it opened a few years ago. There's another. This is Umioto Mari. Don't quote me on this. There's another one, something Mari, which is managed by the same company, that's been around for a little bit longer. But so you can see the Seto Inland Sea. In the distance is Shikoku Island. So here's another look at the living room. And then we'll go into the bathroom. Wash basin. There's the amenity kits here. Yukata robe and samurai pajamas. And then what am I looking at? Here's the closet. Turn around, and here's the bathing area. A place to store your change of clothes and towels. And then here is the shower and the bath. So you're probably wondering if this is onsen. Well, it's technically not. It is supposedly half onsen, hot springs, and half groundwater. I guess they just don't get enough hot springs water from the source locally. So if you're looking for onsen ryokan, this is probably not the place to stay, since it's not pure from the source free-flowing bath, but it's still nice to have. And the 2 Hanare Villas, which this is one of them, once you put in the water, the temperature is regulated. You can set the temperature and it'll stay that way for 8 hours, which the other rooms don't do. So you fill it up, and then the temperature is what it is, and then it slowly becomes lukewarm. Anyway, so Shodo Island in the Seto Inland Sea In Kagawa Prefecture, you can take a ferry here from Takamatsu in Shikoku Island, also from Himeji, as well as from Kobe. You can go to Naoshima from here, but you do either have multi-island hops between, or you connect in by ferry to Takamatsu and then take another ferry from Takamatsu to Naoshima. Anyways, the food is supposedly good. I'm sure we'll learn about some of the local olive and soy sauce based cuisine that they've prepped for our enjoyment and education. Umioto Mari.